This is my first class English chapter reading. Okay, I am I am learn. I am learn. I will learn your English reading. Okay, okay. I am start. This is my first class of English reading. Okay. Fairness, not speed, must drive quick commerce. Indian cities are experiencing not only escalating temperature but also a growing demand for quick commerce as the summer intensifies. Indian cities are experiencing not only escalating temperature but also a growing demand for quick commerce as the summer intensifies. Consumers are demanding the delivery of groceries, groceries and medicine and other day-to-day needs within minutes. The promise of instant fulfillment at the touch of a button has changed the habit of consumers who feel that going out in this heat is a burden. This increased dependence on convenience, fueled by demand for faster delivery, raises concerns particularly for delivery riders. This summer is a test of endurance for delivery riders. They navigate through blazing heat, racing against time. They are subjected to direct sunlight, hot winds, and traffic pollution. A majority of them handle multiple deliveries in an hour. This may lead to dehydration, heat exhausting, fatigue, and even heat stroke. In severe situations, protective gear such as helmets and even heat stroke. In severe situations, protective gear such as wear houses access to basic amenities such as shaded rest areas, drinking water, or medical support is inconstant that this necessary a paradigm shift for the quick commerce industry to shift from a fast to a fair made mode. They can redesign their systems focusing on the rider's health and safety, especially in this hot weather. This may involve the supply of cooling gear, hydration kits, minimum rest periods, and fair compensation season. They can also provide heat sensitive routing in their delivery apps, which automatically reroute orders when temperatures exceed safe thresholds. These actions could ensure that the delivery riders are recognized with dignity and care rather than as cogs in a logistics unit. Consumers can also responsibility contribute to this scenario thought a slight shift in this their expectation. They can make a difference by accepting delaying the delayed delivery times during the extreme weather condition. There is no need to skip convenience, but instead they can temper it through consequences. Although the urban economy is incomplete without gig workers, there lies a gap between their economic importance and their exclusivity from safety and welfare provisions. This gap needs to be bridged by revising the labor policy to categorically include them at a policy level. This breakthrough necessitates necessitates the establishment of explicit rules to implement heat action plans for gig workers. India has already taken an important step throughout the Code on Social Security 2020, which formally recognized delivery riders as gig and platforms workers and envisages access to social security benefits, yet they are not granted employee status. State level efforts such as the Rajasthan Platform Based Gig Workers Rajasthan Registration and Welfare Act 2029 pioneered a structured approach for regulating engagement of gig workers by establishing welfare boards to support them. Taking a cue from Rajasthan, a few other Indian states like Karnataka, Jharkhand, and Bihar have also moved towards enacting similar laws focused on registration, social security, and welfare boards for platform-based workers. Karnataka introduced the platform-based gig workers social security and welfare bill during 2024-2025. Telangana has also drafted the Telangana Gig and Platform Workers Bill 2025 and is set to join the list of states with legislation to regulate working conditions for gig workers. The policy space is unevenly implemented across India, building on such models. Other Indian states could also incorporate heat index based advisory to protect gig workers held through this. India can move closer to a system where the speed of service does not outpace safety and health. The future of Q-commerce will be defined by its ability to strike a balance between efficiency and responsibility. The summary is a green reminder that the ability to become technologically competent is impossible without compelling human resilience. Thus, in the blaze of rising demand, the path forward is not faster but fairer. By A.P. Srividya and J. Paul Mansingh, the writers are respectively researcher, scholar, agribusiness management, and a professor VIT यूनिवर्सिटी वेलर। भाई मेरा फर्स्ट ये रीडिंग हो गया, अब सेकंड बचा है, बताओ इसको रीड करूँ कि नहीं। बट फर्स्ट डे है तो मैं इतना ही रीड करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। चलो सेकंड भी स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ, ठीक। क्या हमारा है, बोरोड हेरिटेज व्हिन ए पेयर ऑफ हैंड क्राफ्टेड लेदर ए सैंडल्स लिटरेबल फ्रॉम ए rural workshop in Maharashtra to a glass lit uh, boutique in Milan. Its journey is not merely geographic, it is no economic, cultural, and political. When a pair of handcrafted leather sandals travel from a rural workshop in Maharashtra to a glass lit boutique in Milan, its journey is not merely geography, it is economic, cultural, and political. The recent decision by further to produce high-end version of Kolhapuri Sanders in India after earlier criticism for overlooking their origins offers a revealing case study in how global luxury observe local tradition. Kolhapuri sandals are not anonymous design objects, they are embedded in a country's old craft ecosystem spanning districts in Maharashtra and Karnataka, sustained by hereditary artisans whose work has historically operated outside the circuits of global capital. Their geographical indication GI status granted by the Indian state formally recognizes this rootedness, yet recognition on paper has rarely translated into pricing power or global visibility for the artisans themselves. What luxury fashion does exceptionally well in generative construction. ओके गाइस, हम अभी स्टार्टिंग में इतना ही रीड करते हैं। बाकी हमको स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंग्लिश रीड करना तुमको हम बता देंगे अच्छे से। नॉट कोई तुमको जल्दबाजी कोई भी नहीं है, ठीक। अभी 10 11 12 मिनट का ही हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं और आगे हम 30 मिनट का रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, ठीक। ऐसे ही अप्रोक्सीमेटली 20-25 मिनट का रिकॉर्ड हम करेंगे टारगेट, ठीक। ऐसे ही तुमको रिकॉर्ड करना मतलब कि तुमको पढ़ना है, ठीक। ओके बाय, राधे राधे, टेक केयर।